Today we're testing out a camping hammock from Nightcat. This is my first time using or setting up one of these, but I was able to set it up quickly. It feels durable and it looks nice. So far I'm really impressed by this, so let's dive in and check it out. Inside the box, you have a travel bag with a handle. Inside of that, you have instructions, a gear hammock to hang underneath, the hammock itself, a rain cover, and then the poles and straps. You'll need 3 trees about 15 feet apart that form an equilateral triangle. Make sure that you clean out any brush or sharp sticks underneath. This way it doesn't tear the hammock. Then we can hang it up. One side of the hammock uses 2 green straps. Wrap the strap around the tree and pull it through the loop on the end to tighten it. You'll want these over head height. After both trees are wrapped with the green straps, you can connect them to the hammock. Push the strap from underneath the clasp and pull to tighten. Then when you let go of the clasp, the teeth will lock it in place. Now the other side of the tent uses 1 singular orange strap, so wrap that around the last tree of the triangle and make sure that both sides are equal in length. Connect both sides of the hammock, and then tighten up all the sides. After it's locked down, we can put in the poles. The edges have straps with grommets on the end to hold the pole, as well as a channel and hooks to guide the poles and hold them in place. Lock the poles into the straps on the other side, and it begins to take shape. Put the small pole where your feet go at the end for extra support, and then you can buckle in the gear hammock underneath. And if you want, you can put on the camo rain and snow cover. But it's a nice day, so I'm going to keep the hammock open. So I rolled that up and put it inside the bag to make a little pillow. Now all we have to do is test it and see if we need to raise it. I hopped in and it did sag quite a bit, but it did hold my weight. So I tightened it up and lifted the straps. And although it looks pretty high up, you want it pretty high so there's room to sag when you get your weight in there. This time I hopped in and it was at the perfect height. So I took off my boots and got comfy. Inside there's plenty of room to move around. I'm 6 foot and I have head and foot room. And it's sturdy enough that I can move around easily. The 3-point tree mounting system keeps it from flipping and makes it extra rugged. This also keeps it from swinging like a traditional hammock, making it easy to get in and out of. I also like that it has a mosquito net. This will be perfect for out here in the summer. There's even a pocket inside that you can use, and you can store wet and dirty gear underneath, outside of the tent. As far as durability, our new farm dog showed up and was trying to claw his way into the hammock. He's a strong and heavy dog, yet the screen didn't tear. Then he jumped in with me, adding roughly another 50 pounds to the hammock. If I had to guess between me, all my winter gear, and him, we're about 250 pounds in this hammock, and it's still holding strong. He played around in there for a bit, and his nails didn't tear or puncture the tent. And I'll admit, he's young and not trained, so he even started chewing on the hammock. And kept chewing. So I had to stop him and get him down. But even with all that, there was no damage to the hammock. So I wasn't planning on stress testing this because I'd like to keep it nice. But I can now say it's durable and safe to have trained dogs in there. It's pretty puncture proof. Not only that, but it was comfy laying in there. I think it'd be really fun to take this camping somewhere and spend the night. Imagine hanging this over a creek or something. So many opportunities. And it's camouflage, so you can use this hunting even. So if you're looking for a camping hammock that's durable, easy and safe to get in and out of, one that can help keep you safe from rain, wind, and mosquitoes, this one from Nightcat might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go plan a camping trip. See ya.